Hey everyone, welcome back to Joliet English Stories. I'm excited to have you here. What does it mean to the best of both worlds? The best of both worlds is like having the good parts of two different things at the same time. It's when you can enjoy the benefits or positive aspects of two separate options without having to pick just one. Imagine you have two really cool things, and you get to experience the great stuff from both instead of having to choose between them. For instance, let's say you have a job. If that job lets you work from home, where you can be comfortable, and at the same time, you also get to interact with your colleagues in an office environment, that's like having the best of both worlds. You're getting the advantages of working from home and working in an office, making it a win-win situation. So, this phrase is all about enjoying the good stuff from two different things at once. It's like having your cake and eating it too, getting the benefits without having to make a tough choice. Here are 20 examples of the best of both worlds, covering various contexts. 1. Work and home. Having a job where you can work from home sometimes, so you get the best of both, working professionally and being comfy. 2. Food flavors. Eating a meal that mixes the tastes of two kinds of food, so you enjoy the best of both flavors. 3. City and nature. Living in a city where you have tech stuff and also being close to nature, getting the best of both worlds. 4. School choices. Going to a school that has both online and in-person classes, so you have flexibility and meet people. 5. Travel adventure. Visiting a place that has old stuff to see and new things to do, giving you the best of both travel worlds. 6. Movie night. Watching a movie that's exciting and a movie that's sweet, enjoying the best of both types of films. 7. Yummy and healthy. Eating a dish that's good for you and tastes great, so it's the best of both for your health and your taste buds. 8. Parenting mix. Being a parent who has rules and lets kids have some fun, giving them the best of both worlds. 9. Hobby fun. Doing a hobby that's relaxing and interesting, getting the best of both for yourself. 10. Music playlist. Making a list of songs that are happy and calming, having the best of both musical worlds. To everyone tuning in, if you want more of this content, subscribe and hit the like button. It's a small gesture that goes a long way in supporting the channel. Thank you. 11. Friends and parties. Hanging out with close friends and going to big parties, getting the best of both friendly and lively times. 12. Exercise routine. Doing exercises that make you strong and help you breathe better, having the best of both fitness worlds. 13. Job happiness. Finding a job that's interesting and where people are nice, getting the best of both worlds for your work. 14. Eco-friendly and cheap. Using things that are good for the earth and don't cost too much, picking the best of both choices. 15. Love relationship. Being with someone who likes being together and also gives you space, having the best of both worlds in a relationship. 16. Learning stuff. Using videos and books to learn, so you get the best of both worlds in your studies. 17. Fashion style. Wearing clothes that look cool having the best of both fashion worlds. 18. Home style. Decorating your home with a mix of simple and comfy things, making it the best of both worlds in design. 19. Getting around. Using buses and bikes to get places, so you have the best of both worlds in transportation. 20. Vacation fun. Planning a trip where you relax at the beach and also hike in the mountains, enjoying the best of both vacation worlds. Story. Joliet's brush with joy. The tale of blending work and art. Once upon a time in a little town, there was a girl named Joliet. Joliet really liked animals and nature, and she had a job in the big city. The good thing about her job was that sometimes she could work from home. This meant she could have the best of both worlds, working on cool projects and also spending time in her backyard with lots of trees and flowers. One day, Joliet's friend, Jake, asked her to come to a party in the city. Joliet wasn't sure because she also wanted to finish a painting she had started earlier that day. But then she got an idea. She decided to bring her painting stuff to Jake's party. This way, she could have fun with her friends and work on her art at the same time, getting the best of both worlds. As the night went on, Joliet painted a really pretty scene while talking to her friends. They liked watching her make something beautiful, and Joliet felt happy to share her art with them. It turned out to be the best of both worlds, having a good time with friends and making progress on her painting. The next morning, Joliet woke up feeling thankful for the great time she had the night before. Her job let her work from home sometimes, and doing art made her happy. Joliet understood that sometimes finding the best of both worlds meant putting together things she liked in different ways. From that day on, Joliet kept finding ways to mix the things she loved, making her life a nice mix of work, art, and hanging out with friends. If you've been lingering on the outskirts, it's time to join our community. Subscribe for regular updates and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let's make this channel even better.